Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Vampire Game. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the Guild Master. Sei is a good role model for everyone. Her abilities are obvious to all, and this time, she was the first to fire the first shot of mankind's counterattack. The headmaster of the guild said, but looking at her, she looks really worried. Well, probably, this loose vampire can really cause a lot of problems. Josiah has been called by the guild master because they know she is not in herself. It's like she was thinking so much. Josiah said yes. President, a question suddenly occurred to me. So tell me, who eliminated those vampires? The person eliminated them only knew how to eliminate vampires. Still, what about indiscriminate punishments? So, what's gonna happen now? A lot of people sacrifice right now. We could really work out, right? Right now, Chelsea want to defend the human life. That's why she's discussing rebuild things to the president. But it seems like it was really complicated. Still, the confrontation of the president and her continues after that. They came to the venue, which is this loose vampire already ravaging the civilian community in the dark forest. Well, this girl seems to be was really confident that she won't be caught. Well, it turns out it was Campbell who was here also now. Could it be that she will transform herself to Irina, vanish this loose vampire, so she cannot abuse the human beings? Saya should have been at home with me for a long time. After taking the corpse, those troublesome vampires back to claim their merits. Well, this is easy for Campbell. Eliminating these girls is also a blink of eye for her. But right now, she can help herself. This girl is having a dreaming in the daylight. Well, suddenly she got paused. She looked back, and someone is walking behind her back. Right now, Campbell. She looks really facile. Well, it turns out it's the loose vampire who wants to try to fry on her. She was asked, "Are you Campbell?" Oh, it turns out it was easy peasy for her. One of the vampires said, "Boss, her blood looks like easy to suck. It's Cecil." Well, you got it wrong, man. This girl, she can really terrified you all without even blinking your eyes. Funny, I live for hundreds of years and no one has ever touched my blood. Right now, I'm so scared. Well, Campbell, she really wants to tease three vampires. Especially, they are really arrogant to her. If you are afraid of being eaten by me, right now, Campbell, come close to her, pointing her fan. But this vampire seems not scared of her. Well, looking at her, the arena looks. Why did you came out of the enchanted forest as soon as my vampire died? Oh, this is troublesome for them. Irina, she really come close again. Campbell is asking them, "You know who eliminated the vampires? Who are you, and why should I tell you?" Right now, Campbell, she kept herself but to tease these three young vampires. Because she is really tired of living as a human. Let's eat her. One of the vampires said to her, "Human beings who don't know good and evil since you don't say, I can only teach you to speak well." Well, this is really troublesome. Suddenly, this girl, young vampire, become an arrogant monster vampire. And looking at it, you really want to fry on Campbell. Oh, suddenly, there's someone shooting her. The vampire looked back, asking who is the person who is shooting now. Turns out, it was Josiah. He was running through her faster. The vampire is not far ahead. Everyone should follow him. Josiah is giving a command to follow her and to eliminate these vampires. "You're gonna pay for this," Red Vampire said to Josiah. But it seems that Josiah, of course, she is not afraid of her. She continued to shoot the vampire so that she can be wounded and she can decrease her power. Right now, she won't stop until the two vampires on the back already been shooten by Chelsea. No, it's a magic potion specially designed to deal with the vampires. Let's go. Well, it turns out other men want to chase escaping vampires. Stop! Chase her! Boys want to chase the vampire. But right now, Chelsea seems to be surprised. Well, what about Campbell? Turns out Campbell was running towards her. Are you injured anywhere? Campbell was really worried about her. Without me, well, the two of them kept themselves silent, hugging each other. Josiah said to her, "Sorry, Campbell, didn't I protect you in time?" Well, right now, she feels so sad. Campbell was here alone, and I think that Campbell may leave me because I failed to protect her. My heart is sharp as a knife. The pain is addictive. Oh, this girl. I'm really famished by a curse. I am obsessed with a heartache and regardless of any occasion. Well, she seems to be right. Right now, Campbell. Sister, are you excited? Campbell is asking Josiah. Well, for now, of course, Josiah. She was really worried about Campbell. She really feels sorry for herself. Right now, she didn't protect her again. Campbell, I'm sorry. Sister, do you still remember? Break the curse introduced in the book. Break the curse, you must jump up from a high altitude, experience the pain of being reborn before you can proceed to the next step. Oh, that was really tough. Of course, it's also dangerous. Does your sister feel that now is a good opportunity? Well, it seems something wrong. How could she be? Right now, Chelsea, she was standing. Campbell is whispering for her. Well, this is tough. Chelsea, she must really do it. Especially this boys. Almost caught him. What a shame. You big liar, never want to see you again. Seems to be. He is not really convinced. Didn't you say you could protect me, but in a great danger? With you don't love me at all. I'm sorry, don't be angry, okay? Well, this too. So that attention of the three boys will be diverted to them, lest you jump off the Oros castle. I will no longer believe you. Let me just say that these two don't last long. Josiah can definitely dance. Campbell can accept a female bounty hunter. Oh, this is really troublesome. How can Josiah solve this? Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!